of the board of GAP, their president, our beloved president, Cynthia Carrion, and our vice president, Mary Yao, and of course, the coaches who flew all the way from the U.S. from the One World Camp. Guys, say hi, everyone. For all of you who are joining us next week for the One World Camp here, your coaches, I'd also like to thank all of our sponsors. I won't name them because our real name is going to take a long time, but thank you so much for all your invaluable support. And finally, to the most important people in this competition, the gymnasts. Thank you so much to all of you. You guys did so amazing. It's so nice to see so many of you growing and getting stronger every year. And I hope that we'll see you next year again. Thank you so much. I'm going to keep this speech short because I know we're excited to see the competition with our Japanese guests and of course our very own FIG